Hey, what's up? This is your boy J Carver from j-stylefilms, and today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to crop and trim your composition. So here's two different little tips. Let's say, for instance, I want to resize this entire composition to the size of this logo or icon right here. What I can do is click on regions of interest, and from that point I can just kind of drag and make the area of the size that I want my comp to be, which in this case is going to be the size of this logo. Click on composition and then select crop comp to region of interest. Boom, this now resizes your entire composition to the size of the areas, regions of interest that you had just made. Also, if you want to make your composition length, the time to be this right here where you've set your in and out point to the in the work area, right click on this and click trim comp to work area. Boom, now your entire comp is been retimed and it's been resized. All right, so that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you this quick tip, and if you like this, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, or leave a comment. All right, peace.